Only those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. John F. Kennedy. John F. Kennedy, born on May 29, 1917 in Brookline, Massachusetts, was the 35th President of the United States, serving from January 1961 until his tragic assassination in November 1963. Kennedy, often referred to by his initials JFK, remains one of the most iconic and beloved figures in American history, known for his charisma, leadership, and vision for a better future. Before his presidency, Kennedy served in the United States Navy during World War II, earning several decorations for his bravery in combat. After the war, he entered politics, eventually representing Massachusetts in the U.S., House of Representatives and the U.S. Senate. Kennedy's presidential campaign in 1960 captivated the nation with its youthful energy and message of hope and progress. He famously declared, "Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country," inspiring a generation to service and civic duty. As president, Kennedy faced numerous challenges, including the Cold War, the Civil Rights Movement, and the Cuban Missile Crisis. His leadership during the Cuban Missile Crisis, in particular, is widely praised for averting a nuclear confrontation with the Soviet Union. Kennedy's presidency was marked by ambitious domestic initiatives, such as the New Frontier program, which aimed to address issues such as poverty, education, and healthcare. He also championed the space program, famously committing the nation to landing a man on the moon before the end of the 1960s. Tragically, Kennedy's presidency was cut short when he was assassinated in Dallas, Texas on November 22, 1963. His death shocked the world and left a profound impact on American society, sparking grief and mourning across the nation. Despite his abbreviated presidency, John F. Kennedy's legacy endures as a symbol of hope, inspiration, and idealism. He is remembered for his eloquence, his commitment to public service, and his belief in the power of diplomacy and cooperation to address the challenges facing humanity. Kennedy's vision for a better world continues to inspire generations of Americans to strive for a brighter future and to uphold the values of democracy, freedom, and justice for all.